In our application, let's create a new navigation link to a path that doesn't exist, /contact. If we look in the app.js file, we can see that none of the routes we have defined earlier will match this new link. There is no route with a path that matches /contact. So when I run this and click the contact link, the URL is updated with /contact, but nothing is actually rendered because no route matches. To solve this, we can create a catch-all route that will always render and display something on the screen when we hit a route that does not exist. Here, I'm creating a route with the path equal to the wildcard character, meaning that we want to match every URL and therefore always render something for this route. We could also have omitted the path property because a route without a path always matches in React Router. I'm using the wildcard character because it is more explicit. So for this route, I'm just going to say 404 not found and save my file. We're still on the /contact route, which we haven't defined, and thanks to our new catch-all route, this time we get a 404 not found title. However, if we navigate to the other pages, we are rendering both the actual page component and the 404 page. This is because React Router renders all the route that matches and not only the first one. By definition, the 404 page is always going to render, so that's why we always have the 404 title along with the current page content. To solve this, we can use the switch component from React Router. To use the switch component, we will wrap our routes in that component. All our routes are now children of this component. And what switch will do is that it will only render the first route that matches. So if I save my file, here on our home route, we just get our home page content. On the blog page, we just get the blog posts. And same thing with the about page. And if we navigate to the /contact route that still does not exist in our application, we've got our page not found.